In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Wispr Flow the right way. So let's get started. So go to the official website, wisprflow.ai, and then first you go to download the app first. So click on download for free so you can simply install the application on your machine. So just do that. So once you click on free download, now you're going to choose which machine is yours. So based on your machine, you can choose the download option. So if you're using Windows, I'm going to click on download for Windows, and this will now start the installation. So download it, click on download, and once downloaded, just install it on your machine. So once you have installed it, you go to give your credentials to log in. So you can simply use your Google account or Microsoft account. So once you have given that, you'll get to this screen here. So click on continue, and then you can select a source here if you want to, like whatever where you heard about it, you can just choose a source. That's fine, and you can choose one of these mode. If you prefer privacy, choose the privacy mode, okay? Or else you can just leave it as it is. Here, when you start talking, just see that your bars are moving, just to make sure that your speaker is working, your mic. So if it is, hit on yes, and then here, depending on which machine if you use, whether a Windows or a Mac machine, try to press any of these keys here, and then see if it turns purple, and if it is, then turn yes. So it is yes for me. So we have now almost done with the setup. All you have to do to try using is click on this space bar here, and then all you have to do is press on this control plus the Windows icon if you're using the Windows machine, and then say anything, dictate whatever you want to, and it will do the job for you. So for example, let me press and say something. Hello, how are you? And if you leave it, as you can see, hello, how are you? It says actually transcribe whatever I just said. So you can hit on finish, and that's it. That's how you use this, and that's how you set it up.